Another little spot I be getting on. Oh, that shit, I gotta cut myself. As usual. I be getting my little scrap phone. See, I might end up making a scrap yard run today. If this is still here, I believe this is metal. But if it's still in here, I'll come back and get it later. That's aluminum. I'm gonna take the cords out. We're going to the scrap yard. Yeah, it's some more cords. It's some more of these. It's some more of these down here at the bottom. Don't put the phone down and grab them. But this stuff's still in here. It's a tin metal. I'm gonna come back and get it. Put it back in my truck. So I got them heads. I got them heads today. Some cords, some more cords, copper cords, some aluminum radiator. And just been a good day. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end up making a run today to the scrapyard, and if not today, at the end of this week. So I just got done pulling. I just got done pulling the wires out of, out of these things. I don't know what gauge they is. It's probably what 10 gauge or some small gauge. This aluminum radiator. The tank's got to come off and everything to get 40 cents a pound for these. But I probably won't go to the extent to use wasting a blade to cut that. Because I only got one eye. If I had a bunch of them, then yeah. Oh no, I might still do it. Because this thing weighs, probably can't weigh no more than 10 pounds. And get about what, $4 maybe off of it. And be able to put it with this. Because that'd be clean. Copper cords. I mean, yeah, the cords and everything. I gotta find somebody who will take them. Because junkyard, scrapyard I go to, they won't take them unless they got a contractor license or a card from somebody with a license saying that they gave it to me, or I got it out of a dumpster that they are working, gutting the unit and everything. I'm like, but I work on a property where there's construction going on, or I just pull them out of a dumpster and everything. So he said, yeah, but that's their policy that they can't take cords, insulated copper cords, unless it's you got a contractor license. So all my cords here, they can't take them. All the cords I got in that great bin over there, they won't take them. I just got these today. Not the paper towels that fell out the shelf earlier. But I just got these today from the motor. Not from the motor, but they sitting on the pile with the motor. And look at it's all type of gauges. All type of gauges. And copper wire. All type of size gauge. The wire. I ain't got the time. I don't have the time to even strip them. Just to strip these. Oh yeah, the heads off of that motor. The heads off of that 6.0 is aluminum. So I might just take the rocker arms. I might just take the rocker. I think they call rockers. I might just take the spring out. I might just take the springs out so it could be clean. Clean aluminum because them heads is aluminum. So And that, I don't know how much they weigh, 40 pounds each, maybe 30 pounds each, something like that. So I don't know. I want to keep them, but I don't have the space for them. I decided, but like I said, by the end of the day or by the end of the week, I decided I'm gonna junk them all, junk everything. I got the starter, the alternator, the two starters, the alternator, and the AC compressor inside that bin. Those gonna go on my motor piles. I got two motors right here, and I got another motor inside this garbage enclosure from me. Somebody tossed it over there for me. I'm thinking of people from the spa place. I told them just toss them in there. I came in, I just looked in there over the weekend and seen there was some motor in there. So, yeah. So I got four motors. I ain't breaking them down like I used to no more. It is worth it to break it down. I'm just gonna take the aluminum off of it and just take them as and send them as is. Like I could, like I said, had it broke down like this, the aluminum off of it, and they gave me. I think I got like end up 50. I ended up getting like $57 for them. I had two sets of different electric motors, so I had transformers and everything too. All around total for the two motors I had took in, and then the bucket of transformers and dirty copper and everything I ended up getting about $57 off of them two buckets. So that was good. I had 150 pounds of aluminum last time, ended up about like $37, $40. And what really was the big payout was the copper, with like 100 pounds of copper or 240, somewhere around there. I think they said it was 100 pounds. Yeah, 100 pounds at 240, 240 a pound. Well, they had just dropped too. I think they were getting like 270 a few weeks ago. But yeah, I might have to take these to another scrapyard that will take them and everything. But this one I go to, they say they don't take them unless you got a contractor license or a business card from a contractor license who doing the gut out stuff. But like I said, I just pulled these out of the dumpster and it doesn't matter. Like I ain't get them from a contractor license. I pulled them out of somebody's dumpster and everything. So it is what it is. I'm finna cut these smaller and everything and put them in the pile.